Hi, you're watching Trading and Investing. Today we're going to have a quick look through the investing.com app. I'm only on the free version of the app, but there's so many features on here, I don't know what it would take to actually make me upgrade. This is the first screen, so your different markets. You've got popular markets, you've got the indices. So because I'm in the UK, it's showing the UK ones at the top. Here we go, you've got right mix across the world of the Asian markets towards the bottom. You've then got a screen for futures. You'll see that although they've actually got the same names, they are priced slightly differently. The Dow Jones 41,927, US 30 is 41,980 as a futures. We've got a shares screen, so again, because I live in the UK, got that set, but you can pick lots of other countries, and it shows you the most traded ones for that country. We've got commodities, again, all the popular ones that can generally be found on apps like IG. Got the different Forex currencies. Even got a couple of Bitcoin, Ethereum snuck in there. You've got the dollar index, which is rocketing at the moment. A whole screen of crypto. So again, there's thousands of different coins, but this is just a selection of the most popular ones. You can check out the bonds, some of the more popular ETFs, and then some of the most popular funds. I've got a whole screen for news. Again, because I'm on the basic app, I don't get the breaking news on here. I'll be honest, I don't really use this app to have a look at the news. But if it's something you're interested in, you know, there's pages and pages of the stuff. Ideas, again, I think this is probably to try and get me to go pro, just showing me the sort of breakdown that you would get for a stock like Nvidia if I was looking at the pro version. The thing I use this for is the watch list. So as you can see, I've set up a few different watch lists. The one that I use day in, day out is investments. So because I tend to trade indices, this has got VIX and it's got all the different indices. It's got the world index there. These are all the different indices that I can trade on IG. So I've got them sorted from high to low. So as you can see today, it's been a bit of a bloodbath in the markets. With the US 2000 down over 2.5% there. But as with most things, you can sort them however you prefer. You can add additional tools. So I don't know. Let's just go for something like Microsoft just to show how it works. There we go. You've got the Microsoft Corporation. You just put the little star there. Now that will be added to the list. There we go, Microsoft. So what's useful with this app? If we have a look at, say, US, it's also showing how things are trading out of hours because the market's closed while I'm making this. As you can see, Intel there is up 0.1% since the market closed. You can make any number of, lists and lists of things. You can add things, take things away. It's an absolutely fantastic tool. Again, one of the most useful things I find is, let's take US Tech 100 or the NASDAQ. You've got obviously how things are moving daily, weekly, monthly, year, 5 year, and then over a very long period. There's all these other screens like technical. Again, I don't really pay too much attention to this. Again, you can get some of the most up-to-date news, analysis from other people. I suppose if you start reading them, you might get familiar with some of the different analysts. Historical data. And then you've got sort of a forum where people chat. And also on this front screen, you've got the day range, the year range. You can actually go into the chart. It's not as good as using something like MetaTrader, but you can manipulate the chart. You can put different views, candles. Like I say, I don't tend to use this. I actually think that the basic chart tells quite a good story. One thing I particularly love about this app is the alerts. I think they're kind of second to none. So you could go for price movement. So you could say, right, if it goes above 21,000, send me an alert. There we go. It's just so quick, so simple. You can go for percentage changes, and then you see it's ticked recurring alert there. So now you could say, right, every time it goes up or down 2%, I want you to send me an alert. That's actually something I've already got on there. And it does, it's gone on for sadly months and months, years and years. But it just means that you can take your eyes away from the markets, let them do their own thing, and go about your day. If you drag up from the bottom, it shows you a list of sort of the last ones that you've looked at. So if you accidentally click off a screen, there you go, it's there in that list. I hope this has been useful for you. Like I say, it's an absolutely fantastic app. It's one of the best that I've found. Thank you very much.